He went to Atlantic City.
Oh, good for
Yeah.
him. He goes there a lot. He likes it.
I don't know. Does he go there a lot?
I don't think so.
I don't think so
Him
either.
and his
Yeah.
buddy is driving down. Yeah.
Oh,
He goes and he plays at the poker
I
tables.
wonder if he's gonna get a lot of traffic.
Probably.
Because Christmas going home is usually swamped.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna do a dancing show.
Oh, I'm not doing that. You can do the dancing show while I play the song.
Make sure you don't bring the string again.
I won't break it.
Okay.
Oh, dance to this music.
No, I'm dancing to that music.
From that one on.
Good waltz music. There you go.
No, that's it. Let's make it high.
It's as high as it goes.
Okay.
Definitely on foot.
How's school going, Dan?
Good. Slowly but surely it's going.
What are you taking now?